Hey guys, welcome back to Crypto Pumps. Tonight I just a quick video. I just want to go through. Well, it mightn't be a quick video. Bear with me. Through some KRC-20 news that's come up. I made the last video I made. I think I got screwed by the YouTube algorithm. Like, it only got a few views, but I thought it was very interesting. There's so many people that have Casper wallets and they're not able to check their balance yet, because Csplex isn't back up and running yet. So I have a way you can check that using Casper. It's in a previous video. I'll show you. It only takes 2 seconds. I'll show you again. And then there's actually Casper has launched their Testnet 11, their test minting. So I'll show you a little bit about that. I just messed around with it for a little bit. I'm not an expert, but I can show you the basics and I'll show you how to get in, and you can mess around with it and you can figure out whether when the KRC-20 goes live again, whether you want to use Casper wallet or you can use Casper. So that's your decision. It's up to you. See, I'm not sure what I'm going to do yet. But anyway, first up, Csplex. The Csplex team is collaborating with more awesome developers and confident about the next open beta. Tomorrow we have a meeting with Shaidesh to discuss the KRC-20 marketplace, the trust model for indexers, the prerequisites, and the launch date for the next open beta. Stay tuned for some great new features and improvements. So hopefully tomorrow we might get some news on when the next open beta is. In my head, I'm guessing it's going to be the end of the month. Maybe they'll do something like the 30th of July to make it like exactly a month on from when they did the first beta. That's that. Caspulse, this is a guy on Twitter. I can't remember his name. He decided to go ahead and start building a kind of a DEX where you can swap your KRC-20 tokens. So it looks like he's getting there. So it's called Caspulse, open beta coming soon. An open source swapping protocol for KRC-20 tokens built on Casper. So this is pretty cool. So basically, when we mint all our tokens, we're going to need some place to swap them. So there's a few different dexes coming out, and this guy is coming out now as well. So it's all good for KRC-20. This one I think is pronounced Zodex. I talked about this one before. So Zodex is working towards our open beta launch. We're thrilled to announce that we are working on integrating the Casper network and KRC-20 tokens into mainnet. We're proud to be one of the first decentralized DEX for Casper perpetual trading. So again, here's another place when you mint your tokens, you should be able to trade your tokens and swap them on this DEX when they get it up and running. Because this is what we need after we mint all our tokens. This is the other one, Casper bot. So Casper bot I didn't use during the last minting, maybe you did, but I've been messing around with it since, and I kind of stayed away from it. But Caspador has got involved with them, and I said this in the last video as well. So Caspador is very well known in the Casper community. He's built a lot of tools, the KRC-20 Explorer called Cas Tools, and he's built Cas Live. And now he's working on this with these guys. So can't wait to work with Caspador, Casplex, and Casper Ecosystem Foundation on this project. You've done so much for the ecosystem already, and it's an honor to join forces with you. Let's improve Casper ecosystem together. Great times ahead. Long live Cas. So Caspador has, after some meetings, very professional ones, I am joining forces with Casperbot to deliver Cas Wallet supporting KRC-20 protocol. So that's very exciting. And I sent Casper a message. He said he will come on and talk to me, so look forward to that one. I just have to organize it when I get time and when he has time. Just there's another couple of tokens that came out. I just rooting around for a few, so I found this one, Fast Snail Coin. So this is their X account. So not too many followers yet, but probably not many people know them or heard of them. We deployed fast, so it looks like they're deployed on KRC-20 token, 100 million supply. So you can give that a look. That's their X page. Their website is up and running as well. I don't know. I don't know. Sure, everybody to themselves. Like, I don't know why. It just kind of reminds me of a serial killer or something. But check this out. That's their website. So they've launched a KRC-20 token. There's another one there called Kaspa. So it's getting confusing with all the bots out there. You have Casper bot and now you have Kaspa. Kaspa, the guardian of Kaspa. Kaspa is the guardian of the world's first block dog, launching ASAP. I'm not sure if these have launched yet or not. I don't know. Caspot's initial market cap will be 100, 150. Yeah, I don't think they've launched yet. If we click on the home page, It's a decent website there. You can go down through it. Tokenomics, so public mint 50%. So it looks like they're holding some back for dexes and the team and burning and pre-sale. So again, they've gone with the 28 billion 700 million kind of thing, similar to Kaspa's tokenomics. Game and reward, burn, the roadmap, phase one, phase two. They have some sex and dex listings there in phase two, so hopefully. So give that a look. That's Caspa. That's another new one out. And then just to show you, if I go back to the Casper bot, so if you have a Casper wallet and you don't know how to, now bear with me for this because I know people have a short attention span with YouTube videos. So I'm going to do this and then I'm going to show you quickly the beta that's going on Testnet 11 for how to mint your KRC-20 tokens using Casper bot. So anyway, this is just how you can check your balance on your real Casper wallet. So I'll go back to the main page, and like I said in the previous video I did on this, I'm after losing it now. Casper bot. Go back into this. Yeah, so you get Casper bot here. Make sure you're on the right one. x.com/Casper bot. And down here you have the link for Telegram. So click on it here. Don't get it anywhere else. It'll bring you in here. So you just click down the bottom here, start, and it brings you in here. So check my balance or project progress. Project progress is, let's say Nacho, you're wondering has all of Nacho been minted? So you can type that in and it tells you progress 7.43% has been minted. So what's that? 92.6% is still there to be minted when they relaunch. So check my balance is what we want to do. So I want to go to my wallet, my Casper wallet. I have two of them, so I have one here. So if I could spell, wrong passwords. Okay, do it again. Okay. So like that KRC-20 doesn't tell me what KRC-20 tokens I've minted. I know I minted them from this wallet. I didn't get anything from the other wallet. So I want to copy my address, copy my public wallet address. That's why you don't need to give anything, any details. You just need that, which you can give to anybody. Nobody can take your money with that. So you go back into Telegram. So we're going to click on check my balance, enter your Casper address. So we're just going to paste it there. And that is what I have, and that's accurate to me because that's about 10 mints. That's about what I did before the whole thing shut down. And then for some reason I was having trouble minting Nacho, so I just gave gold a go. So I have a bit of gold there as well. So it shows you what you have. Okay, that's that. For the other thing, if you're in Discord, this is an easy way to get the link. If I go to Nacho and I go to announcements, Ashton, who is very good, he has this in here. To start the bot, you go into announcements, click on. Yeah, okay, so here we go. So you can generate 10 wallets. I'm not too sure about that. I'll just click on generate 10 wallets there for a minute. So it has 10 wallet addresses, 10 private keys, 10 public addresses. I don't know how to mint 10 at the same time. I was asking the question, but they weren't very helpful. I think I'll just click on one of the bots. You're supposed to click on one of the ones that is used the least. So I'll click on that. Your wallet address is this. Yeah, so let's just mint Nacho. We could do a test mint. So I think it's a /mint. Then it says enter the ticker. And because it's test Nacho. T Nacho. So every mint is 28,700. How many times would you like to mint? Let's just go 10. Hit enter. It's asking you about the fees, what priority fees. Now I'm not too sure on this. Like I did this before and I just hit number 2. So every time I mint, I'm going to get charged 0.01 CAS, which is not too bad. But I suppose this depends on congestion on the network. So we'll go to 0, or actually we just pipe in 2. It is. We go for option 2. And you're about to mint T Nacho. Tokens per mint 28,700 T Nacho. Number of mints 10. Total tokens will get you that. Csplex gas estimation 10 CAS yeah, for 10 with 10 test casts. Casper bot fees is one test cast. Priority fees .21 test cast. So estimated 1 minute. So I just hit confirm. I probably should have done less, but it says start in the minute. Please be patient. This process might take a while. Last time I did this, it was quicker. Oh, there you go. It started now. Progress. And that's how you do it. It's just gonna mint. So you can go in and you can mess around with this and give it a go and see what you think. But the more I practice with this, the more I like it. You can mint 10 different tokens at one time if you like. You just have to move the cash into some cash into each wallet. But I want to play around with it some more. Let me know in the comments what you think it is. Have you used it? Do you know how to mint 10 at the same time at the moment? I know some people do. I haven't played around with it enough, but I just have to play around with it some more. And basically, this is gonna be how it is when it comes out in mainnet. You'd be using real cast instead of test cast. And that's all I wanted to bring to your attention tonight. If you found that helpful, please give me a like, and if you want to keep up to date with all the news on KRC-20 and Caspa, give me a subscribe, please. And that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you again.